Anxiety, stress, depression, insecurity, failed relationships, loss, the ups and downs of life. Sure, you can see a psychiatrist or a psychologist for these issues, but they have hundreds of patients and can't be available for you every single day to keep your mind in a positive headspace. And this is what you need. Sure, you can medicate, distract, and confide in people, but it only numbs the pain and doesn't free you from your underlying issues. It also damages the balance of your mind, body, and spirit. We have over 5 years experience in holistic positive self-transformation and want you to be successful at healing, love, happiness, and freedom. Join Journey into Positivity on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel and have free 24-hour access to daily positive motivation, inspiration, and tools for healing, learning, and personal growth, such as meditation, affirmations, and tips. Start today. Like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and begin your true journey into positivity.